Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, so TGIF, and it is April 25th. And this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the Aussie dollar did end up turning at that 78% Fibonacci retracement I was talking about yesterday. We had our Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, and I said if it does make a lower high and nice engulfing down, probably would be a pretty nice short. Now, if this really is the end of a wave one on the higher time frames, like this whole wave up right here is a wave one, that means we are likely going into a wave two. A wave two should minimum go down to the 38%. It possibly could go all the way down to the 78%. Now, a wave two is a corrective pattern, so that means that it's going to be very overlapping, a little bit on the unpredictable side, but I think there's a good chance that it will make its way down at least to the 38%, so I am definitely suggesting shorts. Anytime you see a push to the upside, put your Fibonacci retracement on the last push down, look for nice Fibonacci bounces, look for nice engulfing moves to the downside to go short. How it exactly is going to get down here, I don't know. I just know that anytime I see a pullback, I'll throw a fib on there and I will be looking for shorts on Fibonacci bounces to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.